Hello Walnut Fund family, and welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a while since we released any new content, and today we have a major update for our 2022 plantation. As you all know, the mowing orchard was our first joint crowdfunded project. 300 plus investors, 5,200 walnut trees, planted on 18 hectares, 50 acres of prime agricultural land. For any new followers, we spent most of last year preparing the terrain, and a few months back, just in February, we planted the trees. Following the successful planting of our 2-year-old saplings, it is now up to us to maintain the plantation and ensure that the trees stay healthy and thrive. In today's video, we will be discussing the essential maintenance practices needed for upkeeping a thriving walnut plantation. So, let's dive right in. Here we are today at the 2022 mowing walnut plantation. What we're doing today is we're setting alongside our walnut saplings piles so that we make sure that the trees grow straight. Let's check it out. As you can see, our walnut trees have been growing beautifully since we planted them. Here is a recap of some of the basic maintenance tasks we've been focusing on lately. Last week we were busy at our plantation, primarily engaged in hedging back our trees and adding supports alongside each sapling to promote straight growth. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is hedging back? Hedging back, or topping, is a drastic pruning technique in removing a significant portion of a tree's upper branches and foliage, resulting in the reduction of the tree's overall height. Topping a newly planted walnut sapling offers several benefits. Firstly, it helps newly planted trees faster develop their root system. It also helps maintain the tree's size and shape, making it more manageable and easier to care for. Additionally, hedging or topping promotes lateral branching, leading to increased sunlight exposure and better air circulation throughout the tree's canopy. This enhanced light and airflow can improve overall tree growth, reduce the risk of disease, and promote better nut production long term. Regular hedging or topping of older trees also allows for easier harvesting as the nuts become more accessible and reduces the risk of overgrown branches interfering with neighboring structures or plants. You might have noticed the first signs of weed growth in the orchard. This is common, especially taking into consideration that 1. The plantation has just been established and the walnut trees have not yet developed their root systems. 2. In preparing the plantation, we have supercharged the soil and augmented all the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. 3. We have not used any herbicides to subdue the development of weeds. We are a green business and do strive to be as organic as possible. This all brings us to maintenance task number 2, weeding. Weeds are unwanted plants that compete with our walnut trees for essential resources like water, nutrients, and sunlight. If left uncontrolled, they can hinder the growth and development of our preciously newly planted saplings. Mechanical weed removal methods involve using various tools and machinery specifically designed to eliminate weeds without harming the walnut plants. These methods can include manual plucking, mowing, using specialized implements that target the weeds directly, and tilling. That's what you see happening on the video right now. Mechanical weed removal ensures the health and vitality of our walnut trees without having the need for chemical herbicides, making it an environmentally friendly approach. That wraps up today's discussion on walnut plantation maintenance. Now, a few words to the new potential clients looking to join us this year. We are currently in preparation for our 2023 plantation. We have purchased an amazing 20-hectare plot of land and are currently in the midst of preparing the terrain for the upcoming planting window. We are 50% sold out, and comparing to last year, trees are selling off much faster. Although there are spots left on this year's plantation, we do suggest that you don't wait too long. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow walnut enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.